Hi, my name's Ilana Mendels and I'm from VetPrac, where we bring practical skills to practical vets. The Rabbit Surgery and Dentistry Workshop will be on again this April 27th to 29th at Sturt University in Wagga Wagga. We can't wait to see you there, led by Dr. David Vella and supported by Narelle Walter and Michelle Bingley. This workshop is everything you can imagine, everything rabbits. We'll be looking at common clinical techniques for rabbits, from intubation, catheter placement, surgical techniques like intestinal anastomoses and cystotomies, and then we'll also be doing some radiology, dentistry procedures and extractions. It's a really great workshop and I hope you can join us. So click on the link below for this fantastic 3-day workshop in Wagga Wagga in 2018. Thanks, bye.